Chicken what? It's say, what do you like to order at McDonald's?
Come on, Pop Sarah. Leave me alone.
Just say
I
it.
got you. 2 chicken burritos.
Politos is burritos.
Burritos? I mean, 2 chicken burritos. Burritos?
Burritos, yeah.
Burritos. I mean, this is not my language. Leave me alone.
Yes.
Mila, 2 wraps. Well, number 7. What do you mean?
I think.
Hello? Charlie. That's my favorite. Chicken burrito. Burrito. That's my favorite. At McDonald's. I was working here. Give me food. Free. Nobody working here anymore.
Yeah, Nicole, you worked here in 1998.
1998, I leave this McDonald's. I work here in 1996, 1997, 2 years working at McDonald's. You even pay me $5.50. I quit, I go to Milton. I work at Milton nursing home, do housekeeping for $7. That's why I see, oh, I'm rich, I work for $7 now. Bye-bye. Je travaille 6 heures pour 2 heures. À 2 heures, moi, la kaila, courir la kaila. Nous clôt dans le travail, 3 heures pour 11 heures. Nous quittons nous dans kaila, nous quittons nous sortir dans la rue à boire. Ou pour petit boire, nous sortir la kaila, ou aller dans le backyard là, la pluie a tombé. Ti carriage ou devant pousser boire dehors carrément. Par contre, quand tu fais mettre dans le carriage là, parce que l'autre t'a dormi.
Fuiste tú que me lo pasaste eso. Ajá.
It's gracias. Typical McDonald's messed up our order. Sausage McGriddle. Where's the cheese? This place is so bad. I'm so over McDonald's. This is the second time. This is the second time I've had bad McDonald's. I don't understand.